Hi guys, welcome to our 6 minutes abs workout with the grandson. Let's go, Bree. We're about to show you guys how you can get this abs at home. Let's go, Dad. Good. So the first one we're gonna use right leg in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Fine. Bend. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So the second one, guys, gonna be now 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So the third exercise is just gonna be a nice and easy. Okay, yeah. Let's go, guys, with the next one. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good one. So moving, guys, to our next one. Our next one is just gonna be nice and easy now. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good one. We've got 3 more exercises to go. Now you can feel, guys, the stomach is paining and we're still moving. Crazy. Huh? Yeah. So now just gonna be on the leg raises now. So I'm gonna be a flutter kicks. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Good one. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo. 2 more to go. Now, guys, we're moving to our next one. So we're just gonna be, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good one. Last one to go. Work.
Small thing.
Yeah. Now the last one, guys, will show you guys how you can work on your obliques. So we're gonna be on the side now. We're just gonna be like that. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The record.